Kinematics, study of motion, displacement, velocity, acceleration. When you throw up, vectors come out. When it's time for physics, we know what to do. We get out our packets to understand you. Surrounded by problems the world has at hand, we use our knowledge to give us a plan. Coming up next, forces in motion, where we tell you Isaac Newton's potion. Inertia, force, action, reaction, these are the laws that give us satisfaction. Mass and weight are not the same. Weight is part of a whole nother game. Circular motion causes a commotion. Centrifugal force is only a notion. Period is used to find speed. Seconds per cycle is all you need. When it's time for physics, we know what to do. We get out our packets to understand you. Surrounded by problems the world has at hand, we use our knowledge to give us a plan. Gravity is what keeps us around. It holds us strongly to the ground. Gravity changes from place to place. There is hardly none in outer space. Work is the force times distance. This stuff gives us assistance. Mechanical, kinetic, elastic, potential. These are the energies that are essential. When it's time for physics, we know what to do. We get out our packets to understand you. Surrounded by problems the world has at hand, we use our knowledge to give us a plan. Momentum is symbolized by P. It's the product of mass and velocity. Impulse is the change in momentum. If you follow through, you get some. Optics convex or concave. Focal length is a slave. Reflected image, virtual or real. Let's figure out what's the deal. When it's time for physics, we know what to do. We get out our packets to understand you. Surrounded by problems the world has at hand, we use our knowledge to give us a plan. There are two types of waves. Transverse makes light behave. Sound is longitudinal and is computable. Electric and magnetic fields make sure that electrons yield. K equals Coulomb's constant to find force, which is all we want. When it's time for physics, we know what to do. We get out our packets to understand you. Surrounded by problems the world has at hand, we use our knowledge to give us a plan. Capacitance to store energy and charge. The measure of farads is very large. Capacities in series and parallel. Electrons take a ride on the carousel. Polarization makes up sunglasses. Light goes in and never comes out. Sound doesn't polarize cause it's longitudinal. Isn't that so beautiful? When it's time for physics, we know what to do. We get out our packets to understand you. Surrounded by problems the world has at hand, we use our knowledge to give us a plan. When it's time for physics, we know what to do. We get out our packets to understand you. Surrounded by problems the world has at hand, we use our knowledge to give us a plan.
P.S. Your test score is not a reflection on you as a human being.